beyond the staff system. As you likely noticed, we only used a very small portion of the piano keyboard. Look at the piano keyboard. I have listed all of the notes we have yet to learn in capital letters. The notes we have learned already are not included on this keyboard. But don't worry, it's very easy to identify the rest of the notes since the pattern of double and triple sets of black keys remains consistent. Take a look for yourself. Notice how the A's are always in between the second and third triple set of black keys. If we look at this here, you can always find an A. Here's an A. It's in between the second and third set. Here's an A as well. And then you can also see that this is an A as well. The same thing for the C's. The C's are also always to the left of the double set of black keys. And it continues this way. So this pattern is what makes it possible for pianists to close their eyes and play the piano. And a lot of even advanced pianists don't actually realize that they should be trying to learn to do this, where you shut your eyes and you actually just play the piano. So that's something that you're starting to learn now, the location of where these notes are on the piano. Here we have a few images. You should be somewhat familiar with these now. You can see your day one routine over there on the right-hand side. You can see your piano keyboard on the top. And beneath the piano keyboard, underneath ledger lines, is an image that shows you what a ledger line looks like. So how do you label notes when you run out of space on the treble and bass clef staff system? We have to use a brilliant invention called a ledger line, which helps to extend the array of possible notes outside the staff system. Now we're going to talk more about ledger lines in our next session. For now, just make sure you are familiar with the names of the notes in the treble and the bass clef that actually stand within the staff system. And if not, complete the day 7 exercises for both the treble and bass clef for a couple more days until you're very familiar with the notes in the staff system. If we start to focus on ledger lines and you're not familiar with the notes in the staff yet, then the ledger lines are going to cause more confusion, add more information, and it's just going to make it harder for you to learn this valuable information. So I'll see you in the next session once you have learned your day 7 exercises for both the treble and the bass clef.